So hey guys, another video here on one of our cost-saving tips during your construction project. So here we have a very popular handrail system that we're installing a lot these days, and this is using a round vertical dowel system paired with a nice modern, in this case, oak handrail stained to match the stairs. So why we use these Viewrail dowels? Well, there's a couple reasons. One, they already come powder coated in black, I believe in white as well. And you know, they're delivered in a box, everything's wrapped really nicely, and they're ready to go. So there's no issues with that. And you know, when you're doing a wooden dowel, one, they're not always perfect, so you might have to pick through tons of dowels and then modify them to be perfect. And then two, you're painting them. Multiple coats of paint, more time, more labor, more cost. So trying to avoid that at all costs. Plus it's hard to get this finish, and you know, these won't peel, these won't warp, and your staircase handrail system is gonna stay really nice and square for a long amount of time. And they're also durable. Like, this is a staircase. People may kick it if you have kids, and these are gonna hold up really well. So check them out, Viewrail dowels and black powder coated aluminum.